The puller installer kit we got came with some attachments. The idea is this threads in to the shaft and this part pushes the pulley on. So just assemble it, screw it on there far enough that you get a lot of thread. Okay, it's about as far as it wants to go. So we can hold this with a 9/16 socket, and this, I don't know what it's supposed to be, but an 18mm wrench works on it. So theoretically you should just be able to screw it together and it'll just go on. I'm trying to sight from the pulley to make sure they're lined up, and right now it's looking pretty close. It's hard for me to tell exactly. Okay, that bottomed out, so that's it. So now I need to back this nut off. Unscrew this, and that's about flush. I think we're good.